What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the OnePlus 10 Pro. Beautiful device. I got a case here from a company called Supcase. They sent this out to me to review. This is the Unicorn Beetle. It's got drop protection. I like this case. It's one of my favorite from Supcase. I'll leave a link down in the description where you guys can pick it up. As always, I have been using this, so I did take it out of the package already, but hey, Butterfingers. But it's that clear joint, but then it's got some good protection around the edges. So it does get that protection for your OnePlus 10 Pro 5G. Slap it in, and what I like about it, it's got some good grip, but it also shows off your OnePlus 10 Pro 5G. We got a little bit of something in there that we don't want in there. I want to make sure that's copacetic. As you can see there, you get that good. You do get some fingerprints on it, but you can wipe it down. I don't think it's that big of a deal, but you do get it. Tends to be a little bit of a fingerprint magnet on the inside and outside, so you will need to kind of clean it up. But just for the purpose of this video, as you can see, I like because it's a slim case. It does provide that protection, and it keeps it everything very slim. It's got a slim profile. You have the opening there for your alert slider. You got your power button here, which is kind of cool. It's almost not like it's not a button. It's almost like it covers, and then it has a little ridge there, so you're able to find your button very easily. And then your volume up and down, you got the minus and plus for up and down there. I don't know if you can see that in the video. There you go. And then you get some reinforced edges here on the sides, which is great. So it does protect your display, so you're not getting any kind of damage to your screen. Now the camera there, they do give you a little bit of a indentation there to protect the cameras, which is good. But it's I like this case a lot. I've been using it. I like it. I like the slim profile. Keeps the slim. Because a lot of times you use a device without a case, and you're like, man, I wish I could use it like this all the time. This is what this feels like. So you still get to see that Hasselblad branding there on the OnePlus 10 Pro. So very cool device. Let's jump into the Amazon so you guys can see where I picked it up. OnePlus 10 Pro Supcase, and this case is very affordable, $12.99. You can't beat that. Drop down on the link, you guys can pick it up. Excellent deal. It comes fast. If you order today, it comes tomorrow. So look, that's how fast it comes. So you guys can pick it up, $12.99, and I love these cases too, because it's a one piece, but it's clear. You will need to wipe it down on the inside and outside, just so you can keep those fingerprints off of it. But definitely a cool case. I love Unicorn Beetle from Supcase. I got to give it props. It's definitely one of those heavy duty but affordable cases. So, but that's gonna do it, man. Drop down in the comments. Let me know if you got any questions about this case, if you picked it up. If you recommend any other cases you want me to review, leave it down in the comments. Also, hit that thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to the channel, man. That is the Supcase Unicorn Beetle for the OnePlus 10 Pro 5G. Peace.